Hi tuners! Welcome to the next episode of Schiller Academy. In this series, we provide practical knowledge on how to perform various calibrations using advanced tuning tools. Today, we'll focus on a very popular topic, the Hard Cut Rev Limiter for diesel engines, also known as popcorn limiter. Before we jump into the system, let's review the theory behind this feature. Every diesel engine has a built-in function to limit the maximum engine speed. This is critical for safety, as diesel engines are prone to engine runaway in extreme cases. In such situations, the engine draws unintentional fuel, leading to over-revving and potential damage to pistons, piston rods, or even the engine block. To prevent this, manufacturers implement engine speed limiters, usually through fuel quantity or torque limitation. These limiters work in a soft manner, cutting fuel gradually to avoid jerky behavior. However, to create the desired popcorn sound effect, we need to cut and restore fuel immediately. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to achieve this on an EDC16 E39 ECU using ECM Titanium. To start, open ECM Titanium and load the original ECU file. The first step is to locate the map responsible for maximum fuel quantity injected. In ECM Titanium, this map is usually labeled as Maximum Fuel Quantity by Engine Speed, Fuel Quantity Limiter, or Injection Quantity Limiter.